Hello friends, welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. So in today's video, just a moment. Before telling you about the video, I would like to ask you a simple question. Assume that you have a bag, a travel kit or something like that, and it is damaged, it is torn or something like that. So what is the first thing you think of doing? Isn't it obvious that most of us think of just keeping it aside or throwing it and buying a new one? But why buy a new one when you can fix it and reuse it? I know it might get a question in your mind that okay, maybe I might also fix it, but it won't look good because we might just stitch it or just put staples on it, but it will look odd. We won't feel like taking it anywhere. So what's the use of fixing it? So that is what I'll be showing you in today's video. How to fix it, make it look attractive, and also reuse it. It's very simple and you won't even have to do something complicated just to make it attractive. So let's see the video now. So without wasting time, let's begin.
If you like the video, please do hit on the like button below, and also please do share it with your friends and family. If you all are new to the channel, please do subscribe by clicking on the red subscribe button below, and also click on the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.